Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri ketenat boarding Ïaid mondal ulayathu baga Jingkieng banra ya ke Jingkieng Umïam shalor na kebentaban Bujli ya ki bering lapen bej banle ha Lber mentau snem bar haswa banle ya kata kandan ke jingya kandu jongki kattu kat ni ketenat trekam kentop ya ke kunhuan Myntri ke sorkar jela na kebentaban ya pen bej lang ya ki kam ki badai banle habaya keren bikinong tok kubor hadian balawai ke dorbar ha kesengi tok dieng ka khan riu terik urempang arajar aku saw umandal laong baladep ban penbet ba kejing pentrei man rai ke Jingkieng shalor ban thep igi bering ki bathamai hapo jong ke Jingkieng ansale hau Lber badha kasni bale ekani amsha igi kali banya lingba ke Jingkieng Umïam umandal laong ba technical committee komjoru ke coordination committee ka bakan thop lang igi kattu kat ni teli kitnat kom ka PWD transport ki DC na ribhai bat East Khasi Hills kinsay kan duat lang banya kren ya kani ka kam but komjoru ban pensngau shaka kunhuan Myntri jong ka sorkar jela.
This will be happening in the month of March. As per lowering of the bridge, I can't say the exact date now. It will depend after completion of the work, we will lower the bridge. Before that, we will be sitting with our technical committee and also we'll be sitting with the coordination committee and we'll apprise the state cabinet also that we are taking up this work, though cabinet knows, but the entire program will be apprising the cabinet also.
Habakali kasngi ban pentrei bat ban Khang shi sandan banam sha Ïaid yiki kali umandal laong bala kumnu hapo ka khatsan trek Lber arajar at pusaw an pentrei kani ka kam bat hakata kasngi anam sha Ïaid yiki kali lingba kani ka jaka hapadeng saw kanta hadu prakanta ulong ba andala dep ban ra ya ke Jingkieng shalor ban thep iki bering bathamai an sabu de ke kenjaran san lani ram tangman aila di kalirit kentop iki ambulance baginyat na shiliang ke Jingkieng Umïam.
Thinking that within 15th we'll be able to do it.
15 of March. And in that situation, what kind of traffic will be regulated through the bridge?
See, traffic, as I told you earlier also, usually what will happen on the day of lifting the bridge, around 4 to 8 hours, the entire bridge will be closed down. There will be no thoroughfare as far the vehicular traffic is concerned through the bridge. After it is lifted and kept in a particular height, then we'll put ramp on both sides of the bridge and allow the passage of light vehicles and so also ambulance and all these things through the bridge. We'll be not allowing any heavy vehicles. There will be complete closure of the heavy vehicles. I'm telling that in our coordination meeting, we'll be taking up all these issues. In that meeting, transport will be there, PWD will be there, then both the DCs of Ribhoi and East Khasi Hills will be there. The superintendent of police of both the districts will be there. We'll call even IPR also to disseminate this information to our esteemed commuters.
Habayade ba ke Jingtay ya ke Jingkieng bat surong na syaway pan umandal laong ba kaladan ke jingya kran ya kani kaman bar ke PWD hapo ke jingyalam usembut Myntri rangba uba preston tensong namar kham menchwa kadan ke jingterwa bantay ya ke Jingkieng ke bathamai ha ke benta ke bashaneng na ke Jingkieng ke badan ya ke pung Umïam henry ke Geological Survey of India kaladep ban peni ba kamlong ke babiang bantay Jingkieng ha ke benta ke bashaneng namar kala ban kata ya ke Jingkieng ke badan ya ke pung Umïam henry ulaong ba ke sorkar lingba ke PWD roads kalalam ya ke jaka ke babiang bantay ya ke Jingkieng bat surok ke bathamai.
I see we are now doing only 50% of the dam. So after completing the 50% of the dam, we will again open this site and then we will be doing the same work on the other side which is now open to traffic. We explored, we sat with PWD also and PWD department under the leadership of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is exploring all ways and means to see that an alternative road comes. Accordingly, proposal was there through the upstream of this dam that one bridge can come through the upstream of the dam. But then Geological Survey of India, when their opinion has been sought, they told that no, you should not go for any construction because this will there will be lots of probability of damage in the dam structure. Even downstream also same thing. Now I think PWD has found an alternative route and through which new bridges or road will be constructed.
Where is this place?
Exactly, I don't know how it is coming and which way it is coming, but mostly they are working on it to find an alternative route, and also if bridge is required, an alternative bridge, so that trafficular or vehicular movement through the bridge and dam is completely stopped.